In the fast-paced world of startups, time is of the essence. Enter Kodo People, a revolutionary psychometric assessment tool reshaping the way we hire. Unlike traditional self-reported questionnaires, Kodo People tests real decision-making behavior. Its foundations in behavioral economics provide a unique and unbiased insight into the intrinsic behavior of candidates. Streamline your recruitment process, saving time and resources. Kodo People not only assesses but also evaluates social behavior during onboarding, integrating seamlessly with your company culture. Real testimonials from startup CEOs and founders echo the effectiveness of Kodo People. A game changer, they say, minimizing biases and discrimination, positively impacting candidate experience, and contributing to diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts. So why stick to the old when you can embrace the new? Opt for Kodo People. Revolutionize your hiring process. Enhance your talent acquisition strategy. Create a more diverse and inclusive workspace. Kodo People, the future of hiring.